Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're at an abandoned concrete manufacturing area. They used to make concrete here years ago. I remember as a kid them having it here. I don't know what all is back here, what all we're going to see. But if you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Tree fell, looks like it's fell on the power line. Over there you got, right in there, if you can see it, mounds and mounds of rubble from the concrete place. There used to be a big, tall building back here at one time. I mean, you got piles of rubble right there, big pile. Over in here, big pile. Looks like their well used to be down in here. Looks like this used to be like the bins where they kept their stone or sand. Down there's a little pile of sand. And here's a bunch of old bricks. Looks like they just ripped the whole wall down. Over there, pile of busted up blacktop. Some old bricks. Look like they tore down an old brick wall and just piled them there. Now I don't know if that, like they have like bin number 2 road on it, bin number 1. I guess it has to do with what the trucks would pick up and deliver. You know, I need a certain kind of stone. Well, I'll go to bin number 1, bin number 2. Right there, right there. Looks like some kind of loading ramp, like you'd have trucks back into it, and you just get scoops of stuff or whatever and dump it in. Be a good place for a zombie apocalypse video. But I know there used to be a big building standing back here years ago. Just not sure where it's at. Everything just kind of runs together. Big stones, rubble. I guess sand or something. Electrical boxes. There's more rubble on the ground. Looks like an abandoned house right in there, but I'm not sure. Could be the office, but you got people living right over there. Looks like a mix of blacktop and cinders just dumped there. Looks like something's been walking through here. Deer, looks like deer tracks, to be honest. Oh, gas pump. Front of it's missing. I guess somebody thought that was valuable and took it. Oh, fire extinguisher. The hood off a truck. It's kind of cool to see. Fiberglass. Not sure what that thing is. Slow sign. Emergency shut-off switch. Must have been like their fill station area. U-Haul over there. Okay, I'm gonna go head on out. I know there wasn't a lot to see, but I remember being a kid years ago. It's probably been closed for, I don't know, 15, 20 years now. But after it closed, I always wanted to go back and check it out. I wish I'd done it sooner. Okay, I'm gonna head on out. I know there wasn't a lot to see. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, head on out. I know there wasn't a lot to see, but this place has been abandoned for about 15, 20 years, I guess. I remember seeing it operating when I was a kid. I remember it closed and I wanted to go back and check it out. I never did. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button. One of these corners up here. And as always, thank you for watching.